Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be playing Survive the Red Dress Girl. Yeah. Spectate, this is how the Red Dress Girl, it's loading guys. This is how she looks. Done, done. She also changes faces. By the way guys, Chucky alert. They are going to be a lot of Chucky noises. So if you're scared of Chucky, don't watch this video, okay guys? Do not watch it. I dare you not to watch it. Okay, now that was kind of scary because I did all the volume. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Okay. So when the next round comes, guys, no, I'm not doing it. I'm not doing it. Players left. 3 players left out of 8 and 2 gems left. Oh, they're so killing that girl. Girl, run. Wait, how did she went through the window? I played this before and I could not even go through the window. Volume up. Just spice it up. But not that much. Just spice it up. She needs to... If I was the killer in this round, I needed to protect a gem and it will be like, nah, nah. When you guys are the killers and then there's only 1 gem left, it'll say protect the last gem and it'll make like a sound, an alert sound. That'll tell you to protect it. Come on, just finish it, boy. It's him and the girl left. It's only them 3. Oh my gosh. No! I can see her butt cheek. With her cane. They're not even done. It's like just like Flee the Facility. Instead, when they kill you, they just... It's a similar game like that. And it's called Survive the Red Dress Girl. Okay, so they might be finishing. Oh no, they're still gonna kill that girl. No, only a little bit more. And you'll be done. No. And also the killer runs much faster. My cousin told me, she showed me this game, and she said, I think she said it, or I just made it up. No, she won. Red Dress Girl has won. So, yeah, this is pretty much what's it about. It's kind of like Flee the Facility. Instead, there's 9 people the killer has to kill. Map. Haunted house. No, Roblox HQ sucks. Haunted house. No, I don't want to play Roblox HQ. It sucks. You can't even hide nowhere. What, really? I'm a victim. Okay, guys. I need to hack all crystals. There's only... Okay, guys. I need to pause it for a second, guys. Okay? Okay, guys. We're back. The girl disappeared. The red dress girl disappeared. Maybe because she didn't want to be the red dress girl. So she disappeared. And we're in a new map. This is abandoned school. I know all my maps. Is there a crystal? Oh my gosh, girl. You scared me. Oh my gosh. Wait, is the killer out there? Oh my gosh. Everybody's scaring me. I've never been over here. I've only been over there. But I've never been over here. I'm gonna check it out. I think I've been over here only once, but I don't remember how it looks. This is a bandit school. There's a light over there that might be the killer, or it's just the light. It's just the light. Oh no. No, I hate that sound. We finished. We finished quick. Oh my gosh. I thought the girl had glasses like for the teacher. I'm the teacher. The killer! The killer! The killer! I need to run. No, she's coming for me? Me? No, guys, I might really die. No, I'm so die. I'm so dying. I'm so dying. No, please, please, someone get in my way so they don't kill me. No, 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 no. Blasted. So when the next one starts, guys, I'll tell you guys. Okay, girl. Okay, guys. I was gonna say, okay, girls. Okay, no, just kidding. So the red dress girl won. And yeah, camper noob. You camper noob. That's how you play. That's how you play. That's how you play. That's how you. That's how you play. That's how you play. Yes, you do. He's saying no. He just wants to win. Okay, so there's a crystal up there. Please don't tell me. Please don't tell me you chased, not camp the crystal. You chase, not camp the crystals. You do both. You actually do both. You do both. A sign's telling me that the killer's over there. They're killing people. You do both. Oh my gosh. Yeah, the sign's killing me. They're so killing over there. I see her. I need to run. Guys. Oh my gosh, this is so scary. This is so scary. I didn't even find a crystal yet. None crystals. She's right behind me, is she? She's right behind me, right? No, heck no, heck no. Heck no, heck no, heck no. Why me, why me, why me, why me, why me? Hello, I want help. I want to help. Jacob, save me. Sacrifice your stuff for me because you have Robux and then I'll steal your Robux. No, I'm just kidding, Jacob. I'm just kidding. Jacob, they just killed someone else. Help me. Okay, now I'm just gonna stop. It's so cold where I am right now. Oh, we're about to finish. Nobody want to help us. And I finished. We were the first ones to do one of the crystals. I think someone's right behind me. The killer's right behind me, right? Heck no. Heck no. Come on, help us. Help us, girl. Help us. I'm ready. Ready to spice it up. She's right behind me. She's right behind me. No, she's right behind me. Okay. Oh my gosh. 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 She just got trolled. Troll. Troll, troll. No. Why me? Get someone else. I hate this. If she killed me, I'll be so disappointed. Oh my gosh. No. No. I don't want to die. Because if I die... Oh my gosh, she's right there. She's right there. No, she killed me. Rest in peace, body. Rest in peace. Okay, so when the next round starts, I'll tell you guys. Okay, guys, so I think they made a new update because this is not here. Oh, and this creator copied the same how do you call it? The same map as the Killing Clown. The Killing Clown 2. This creator is so dumb. Like, why the heck do you want to copy somebody else's map? You could just make your own map. Oh my gosh, who cares about it? Kill her already, kill her. Oh yeah, that's the last one though. Are they teaming up? No way they're teaming up. They're so teaming up. She's like showing the way to her. I can't even see it because it's so dark. Okay, like she just showed the way to her. Now she wants to kill her. Camper. She is not a camper. A camper. Not letting her win. Okay, it's not a hamper. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, she's saying the truth. They're just what? Okay. Liar. She just killed. This is proof. You stupid. I'm not a robot. FTW. Robot. Robot. You. I'm making a video. Robot, you know I'm making a vid. You got busted. Now everybody's gonna know who you are. Oh, final round, guys. Cool. I'm a YouTuber. Wait, I don't get it. Me too. Oh my gosh, she's trying to get me. I did not see that because I'm reading. Oh my gosh. Me too. Okay, robot, I don't care. Oh my gosh. She can't see me. She can't see me. Oh my gosh. Those girls, that's not safe. Okay, fine, I'll go with you because you think it's safe. It's not that safe. Oh, the killer. Come on, let's just finish. Just want to finish. No, wait me. Again me. I just want to win one time, please. Just let me win. I have 12 wins. And today is the bad luck. Oh my gosh. This is like so frustrating. By the way, if you guys want to see another creepy video, I made another creepy video today earlier. It was called reacting to my two cousins, my brother Anelli and Poppy. If that's at the end, if you get creepy, too scary, run. So see you guys next time. This is gonna be the end of today's video. Bye.